In this video, I'm going to show you how you can recover your Roblox account without your password or your email address. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So if you have been locked out of your Roblox account and you don't remember your password or email address, I'm going to show you in today's video how you can go ahead and recover your account without any of those two things. So first of all, what you will need to do is head over to roblox.com/login. And then once you're on this page, what you need to do from here is come over to the login form here, and as you can see under that there is an option for forgot password or username. If you click on that, what you will get is you will get this here, and as you can see you need to enter in your email address to reset your password. And if we click on username, you also need to enter in your email address to retrieve your username. So if you have gone ahead and forgot your email, this is a really big problem because you will not be able to get into your Roblox account. So what I recommend doing is coming to the bottom here, and where it says use phone number to reset password, you will need to go ahead and click on that. Once you click on that, you will get this form here and you will need to choose your country code. So for me it would be the United Kingdom +44, and then you will need to enter in your phone number. So please keep in mind that this will not work if you didn't set up your Roblox account with your phone number in, and if you haven't got a verified phone number, this will not work. So if you have all that set up, what you can do is you can click on the phone number and enter it in. Once you do that, all you need to simply do is click on the submit button, and then you should get a code coming through to your phone. So once I click on submit, what that will do is it will bring up this little captcha, and then you will need to click on verify. And so once you go ahead and pass that, it will send a code over to your phone. So as you can see, my code has now flashed up on my phone. So if I open that up, as you can see, my code is 728089. And what you can do now is simply click on verify. Once you click on verify, it will redirect you to reset your password. And then once you reset your password, you will then be able to log into your Roblox account again. So that's how you can go ahead and recover your Roblox account without your password or email address.